My little Acer, I can't pronounce it, Unga Bunga Kunga thing, or whatever it says. The squirrel had dug it up completely and ate all the root for some reason, and I managed to rescue it and put it all in sphagnum moss for the last couple of weeks, or about a month now, and it's rescued it. It's starting to bud like it should be, so it's getting some buds back on there. So obviously they grow back at this time of year. The one down here, the one over there, this one's budding too, that one over there. I think I've got more on that side of the garden, more on the other side. Yeah, it's starting to bud back nicely. Oh, there's one there as well. Yeah, what's that one? Oh, that's Zakazuki. Zakazuki. That was budding too. It's got a weed in front of it, that one. Oh, there's a big red one there. Big red one behind, well, a little red one. And a bonsai one over there. You could just about see it's covered in weeds though. So I have to get them weeds off it soon. Oh well. Easy boy.